Welcome to this episode of Anna's Coastal Kitchen. I'm making sweet mini roasted sweet peppers stuffed with Boursin cheese today. I hope this inspires you to try to make it at home yourself. Here we go. Let's get started.
Hi everyone, welcome to Anna's Coastal Kitchen. Today I'm going to roast these mini sweet peppers in the oven on 400 degrees until they're nice and roasted, and then I'm going to stuff them with Boursin cheese. Really pretty, and it's really delicious roasted with the Boursin cheese. So I'm going to leave this stem on here on the end intact just because it's so much easier. And then I'm just going to slice them just through the top part of this, right? And then just up to the stem. Maybe cut a little bit into the stem right here. And then I'm going to leave them here to roast. I like to open them up just a little bit. And then I'm on to the next one. My brother taught me this little trick with these little roasted mini sweet peppers. He said it's great with my favorite Boursin. Here we're gonna try to zoom in and show you how they look. Ready to go into the oven. See how I just kind of open them up? There you go. Hopefully you can see how they're all kind of opened up. And then now I'm gonna pop them in the oven at 400 degrees until they're nice and roasted. And I'll let you know how long it takes with these few. And we are at 400 degrees. We're gonna be right back and we're gonna stuff them with the Boursin cheese. So here we are. Here are the roasted peppers. They look really good.
It only took about 15 minutes to roast these up, and now I'm just going to get the little seeds out of the peppers. They're very little amounts, so.
It's not like a giant sweet pepper, and it's not hot, so don't really have to worry about the heat. See, there's only a little bit of seeds in that. Okay, and here we have the Boursin cheese, my favorite. And so just kind of eye it. I'm just gonna stuff. I'm just using this little spoon to do it. And I'm not gonna overdo it. Just a yummy, delicious bite. You could also pipe this in here. So now I have my little sweet peppers all stuffed with the Boursin cheese, where it's just showing I didn't stuff them too much. And now we are ready to put our board together. So here I've got everything laid out for my charcuterie board. All the crackers, the fruits, the cheeses, the meats, the vegetables, the olives, and the roasted sweet peppers, mini sweet peppers that I'm going to stuff with a Boursin cheese.
I'm using my large charcuterie board today. And I'm starting with my favorite Manchego cheese.
Very similar to Manchego. They didn't have Manchego.
It is delicious. It's got cow and goat and sheep milk. Spain's most popular table cheese.
Iberico. Here is our beautiful charcuterie board complete. Take a little tour. I've got some really nice artisan crackers, some selection of olives, cherries, dried fruit. I've got the dried apricots, the golden raisins, blueberries, pistachios, sliced apples, fresh figs, blackberries, strawberries, and then I've got my brie cheese here, and this is some fig jam, which is really good with it, and some wafer crackers, French bread, grapes, of course. We have some cornichons. They're the French little mini pickles. I have some smoked Gouda. And then these sea salt Firehook crackers. And I have two types of salami here on the board. A peppered one and a sopressata, I believe. And mortadella. And then these are our roasted sweet mini peppers that I roasted and stuffed with Boursin cheese after they cooled down. They're gonna be delicious. So this is a sample cheese board, charcuterie board, and I hope that you all enjoyed the tour and you order from Anna's Coastal Kitchen charcuterie and dessert boards. Well, Laura, this was really fun putting together our sample Anna's Coastal Kitchen charcuterie and dessert board.
Yes.
And dessert board will be coming up in another episode. And I hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed this video, give me a big thumbs up and comment below. Subscribe if you haven't. And thanks so much for helping me today.
Sure.
We'll see you next time. Just remember, if you're lucky enough to be at the beach, you're lucky enough. Bye.
Bye.